Let me tell you something most people never realize about money. You don't stay broke because you don't earn enough. You stay broke because you think about money the wrong way. And if you really listen to the next 5 minutes, this mindset shift alone can completely change your financial future. Most people believe that becoming rich means having a high salary, a lucky break, or rich parents. But that belief is exactly what keeps them stuck. Here's the truth. Millions of people earning six figures are still living paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, some quiet, average earners slowly build wealth and end up financially free. So what's the difference? It's not income, it's behavior. Let's break this down. When it comes to money, you only control two things: how much comes in and how much goes out. That's it. But most people focus on the wrong one. They chase higher income without controlling expenses. They upgrade their lifestyle every time they get a raise. Bigger house, new car, more subscriptions, more rewards, and suddenly more money changes nothing. Now imagine this. A young person saves just a few $100s a month and invests it consistently for decades. Another person waits until later in life and saves thousands every month. Surprisingly, the younger person often wins. Why? Because money loves time more than effort. Time allows compound growth to work its magic. And compounding isn't loud or exciting. It's slow. It's boring. But it's powerful. This is why starting early matters more than starting big. Now here's the mindset shift most people miss. Wealth isn't built by saving what's left over. Wealth is built by deciding first where your money goes. That's why smart people use a simple income split: one part for needs, real needs like housing, food, transportation; one part for wants, fun, lifestyle, enjoyment; and one part for investing, not spending later, not saving for gadgets, but buying assets that grow. This is where most people fail. They treat investing like an afterthought, but investing should be automatic, non-negotiable, just like rent, because money that doesn't grow slowly dies to inflation. Now let me tell you something uncomfortable. Cutting expenses alone won't make you rich. Yes, control matters. Yes, debt is dangerous, especially high-interest debt. Paying 20% interest is the same as losing money every year. But there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. That's why wealthy people obsess over income growth. They don't just ask, how do I save more? They ask, how do I become more valuable? This is where side income changes everything. If you change nothing else after this video, change how you think about money. Start early, spend intentionally, increase your value, invest consistently, because money doesn't change your life overnight. But if you play the long game, it can change your life forever. If this video made you think differently, hit subscribe. And remember, wealth isn't about luck. It's about decisions made repeatedly over time. I'll see you in the next one.